Ayo, boss, and welcome back. Today's chef has a great video for us. This is how to make an egg roll, a breakfast egg roll. So we think you're going to really enjoy this. Very simple, and they came out delicious. So it's time to rise and shine, everyone, and let's get cooking. So chef just picked up some already pre-cooked sauces from his grocery store because it's nice and simple. He threw those in a pan with some water, put those on medium-high heat, and we're going to let those cook up a little bit there. Next up, he said, make some scrambled eggs of, how you like to. Now, Chef has a great way to make scrambled eggs, and he's going to share that with us down the road. So he apologized in advance right now that we're not going to go through this, but he didn't want to make the video too long. And he wants to do this down the road. So just keep spamming the comments and tell him we want to see that video, and he'll make it. But just go ahead and make your scrambled eggs up. Are those green onions, Chef? Oh, you're killing us. You got to make that for us. Okay, when your scrambled eggs are done, place them in a large bowl. Your sausage should be pretty much heated up and cooked now, too. These are just store-made, bought, already cooked. He just warmed them up. Let's keep it simple here, people. He's going to cut these into small pieces. Once those are chopped up into pretty small pieces, place those right in your egg mixture. Go ahead and then just go ahead and give them a toss. Don't forget all of our ingredients will be listed down below. Chef's going to go ahead and throw a little bit of salt and pepper. And of course you can add other seasonings. And don't forget, we got to get that hot oil ready. So get that nice fresh oil. Chef said always use fresh oil. 375 degrees. So while the oil's heating up, the mixture kind of sat out for a second to cool down. And now Chef's going to add his cheese. He didn't do it earlier because he didn't want it to melt into the mixture and become kind of gooey. So he put the cheese on there when it cooled down, and then he gave it another mixture. Now Chef's got his egg rolls here, his wrappers, and he just wanted to show you real quick. He's going to use 2 for that extra crunch, but you can use 1 if you'd like. Now the trick is to put the mixture right in the center, and you don't want to overcrowd the egg roll, so just about a spoonful. And then start by placing and then just putting those sides in. So go ahead and fold those sides in just like so. And then start at the top and then just roll down. Nice and tight. Again, watching those sides, they may come unraveled, just watching those. And then roll all the way down. Sides go in. When you get to the top there, the front, stop. Use a little bit of water on your brush. So that will help seal it in. That water will keep that nice and sealed right there. And there you go. Here's another angle of Chef. Beautiful. So our oil is around 370 degrees. He's got just a couple. We got 4 in a basket. He doesn't want to overcrowd. Place those in your hot oil. You want to really submerge them if you can. And let them cook. Several minutes. He's going to give the basket a shake. You want these golden brown. All of your ingredients are all done cooking. It's just to really crisp up the egg roll. And Chef did say he wants to point out if you want to put in there bacon, if you want to make it vegetarian, not have any meats, you can do so. So again, it's been several minutes and he's going to take one out, take a look. They look golden brown. Oh, they look delicious. Okay, so Chef's just going to take a second to plate these up. He's using his classic wooden cutting board. Now we're going to get some dipping sauce here, and Chef's going to use some maple syrup. Again, this is the cooking corner. We're using that pure maple syrup. The good stuff, people. Chef's going to go ahead and cut one of these open because I know his fans like to see them cut open. And there you have it. So here's our kind of final take on them. They were absolutely delicious. It was like crispy, and then you had the nice insides of the sausage, the egg, the cheese. It was delicious. But go ahead, make whatever you want. Throw bacon in there. Do different recipes, other vegetables, whatever you want. Have fun with it. That's what we want to do here. Don't forget to check out some other videos and share this. It's really the biggest request we have to you. Share this. And thanks again, everyone. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.